In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gemini AI photo, specifically a microscopic image, using a simple trick. So, let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Google into your address bar and hit enter. Now that you're on Google's homepage, it's time to type Google Gemini into the search bar. You might be wondering what Google Gemini is. Well, it's a powerful AI platform that allows users to create stunning visual artworks, including unique microscopic images. After you hit search, you'll find a list of results. Look for the official Google Gemini website in the search results. It should be fairly prominent. Once you find it, simply click on the link to head over to the Google Gemini webpage. This is where all the magic will happen. As the page loads, you should be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface that's designed to get you started right away. Now that you're in, look for the icon that says Create Image. It should be easy to spot. Click on it, and this will take you to the image creation workspace. Here, you'll enter what's called a prompt. A prompt is simply a description or idea for the kind of image you want the AI to generate. It's your creative spark that the AI uses to craft your unique image. For this example, let's use the prompt. Imagine a cinematic micro-fantasy food poster. Picture a tiny surfer riding ocean-like waves crafted from the intricate, macro textures of grilled meat. That's the scene we're going for under dramatic food photography lighting. We'll give this creation the catchy title, Eat Venture. Take a moment to type this detailed prompt into the provided input area. As you craft your words, try to be as vivid and descriptive as possible. The more detailed your prompt, the more intriguing and accurate your image will be. Think of this as a form of digital brush with which you sketch out the initial framework of your masterpiece. Once your prompt is ready and you're happy with your description, look towards the lower section of your screen for the Submit button. This button is your gateway to transforming your written vision into a visual reality. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click on Submit. That's where the technology steps in, working its AI magic to bring your unique image to life. It might take a few moments, but soon you'll see your image rendered right before your eyes. And that's it. You've just created your own Gemini AI photo. Experiment with different prompts and let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed creating something unique. Until next time, happy creating!